So now let's talk about the concept and understanding of growth. The understanding of growth. Phase 1. Start now from where you are and what you have. Start now from where you are and what you have. Your location, start in your house. I talked about that. Start with the machine you have. I'll teach you all the process and the good finishing. Phase 2. Get experience by starting now and understand the process of scalability. Once you start now, in the next 1 year or 6 months, you would have gotten better from where you started from. You would have understand how to do a different finishing that will give you a better result, right? But you have to start first. If you don't start first, you will not get that. So everything work on growth and your experience. Once you start, you get experience, then you understand scalability. Then phase 3, you scale again, and you scale again, and you scale again, and you keep adding experience to experience, and scaling and scaling and scaling till you become what you want to be. It's as simple as that. Understanding growth in this business of ready to wear is understanding how to scale. And before you scale, you have to start first. So phase 1, start now from where you are and what you have. Phase 2, get experience from where you started from and understand scalability. And phase 3, scale, keep growing and keep growing, keep scaling, keep adding more experience and keep growing. That is the 3 stages of growth. Start now, get experience and grow. It's as simple as that.